I said very, very good afternoon, all of you. Okay, how are you? Okay, I am also good. Thanks for asking me. Okay, today our presentation day. Okay, my presentation title is My Country is India. Uh, how many people know about what is the meaning of Bharat? You know? Please raise your hand if you know. Simply your call is Bharat comes from the king of Bharat. This is the name of Bharat. Okay. Is becoming from two words. First is Va and second is Rat. Va meaning is light. Light is coming from knowledge. And second meaning is Rat. Rat is becoming continuously walking. Just a meaning of Bharat to continuously walking and continuously acquiring knowledge. This is the simple meaning of Bharat. And the Bharat is a geographical condition. Firstly, I am said about geographical condition. As you know that already, India is located in south of Asia, and the seventh largest country of our the world, and first largest country to the population wise and area wise of seventh largest country in the world. And our Bharat is sharing our border in the western side uh, from the Pakistan, in the northern side from the China, and is the northern and eastern side the Bhutan and Nepal, and in the eastern side the Bangladesh and Myanmar, and at the southern side the Sri Lanka are only two sharing our border with Bharat, and northern side northern side the one of the mountain of Himalayas to defense our the way of the Great Wall of China to defense the Himalayas second largest mount ever mount to all of and there is the highest chain of mountain. There is a Kanchenjunga, 848 meters to highest level to the ocean. And I am sharing about the historical of our India. India is a rich history of our India, and in the time of civilization, and we are some time before we was a Sindhu, not a Hindu. The all Latins and the Italians peoples was coming that time. They are pronounced sa ha, just like a ha. That is a Sindhu Hindu. That is the meaning. Just change Sindhu from Hindu, and we are called the Hindus that time. And our Britain government the called Hindus like Indus in English, and just coming from the name India after some time, and that's why reason we are called Indians. And through the civilization in the 14 VC was Mughals coming in our country, and like Shah Akbar, Babur, and many of Mughals empowered and king and kingdoms was coming that time, and architect our build up that time, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort in our Delhi was built up that time. And I'm talking about the economy. You know, in 2014, our economy, the 21 of number on the world. That time economy 21, and that's time the join our prime PM Narendra Modi join our the lead our nation. That time our economy the third number largest economy of over the world. This is the different. The PM Modi joined as a leader, as a prime minister to join our nation. And I am talking about the tourism of our India. And in the tourism we have a religion places like in the Uttarakhand, you see the Kedarnath, Badrinath. In the Jammu and Kashmir, you show Vaishno Devi and Amarnath. In the Rajasthan, Khatu Shyam. In the Jaisalmer, Jaipur, the Pink City. Uh, in the Gujarat, many favorite things like Somnath Mandir in the Gujarat, and the great and the Statue of Liberty, and in the if you are go in the Odisha, you watch the temple of Jagannath. If you are go in the Tamil Nadu, you watch in the Rameshwaram, the temple of Lord Ram. And if you are go the UP, the UP is the one famous two famous Lord of Ram, Lord Krishna and Lord Ram is a born place. In the born place is Mathura. We are just related Lord Krishna. And if you are go Ayodhya, this is the born place of Lord Ram. And multiple things. If you are entertainment and enjoying, if you that time you go Goa, then there is a beach is so beautiful. And if you are go the one island is a Lakshadweep. It's just similar like Maldives. If you are visited, then that time Maldives through the comparison of Maldives, Lakshadweep is very good this time. And I am talking about a one poet to distribute our India. The quote is that I am talking about this quote is Hindi because a quote because usually generally write and through the Kavi through the writer generally in Hindi. And I am sharing the quote. मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जिसके होंठों पे गंगा हाथों में तिरंगा है। मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जो ठुकराए हुए लोगों की शरण स्थली बन जाता है और 7 समुंदर पार लोगों को ब्रदर्स और सिस्टर्स कह के पुकारता है। मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जिसने दुनिया को कर्म योग का ज्ञान दिया, लेकिन खुद कभी अपने पराया का भेदभाव नहीं समझ पाया। हम वासुदेव कुटुंबकम के स्थान पर जिया है और मेरा भारत वो नीलकंठ है जिसने खुद विष पीकर लोगों को अमृत का दान दिया है। मेरा भारत कर्मण्यवादी का रस्ते गाता है, खुद त्रिलोक का स्वामी होकर माखन चुराता है। मेरा भारत मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जो महाअवतार होकर माता के हाथों मार खाता है। मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ, मैं उस गौतम के भारत से आता हूँ जो जनहित की खातिर स्वयं सन्यासी हो जाते हैं। मैं उस राम के भारत से आता हूँ जो अपनी पिता की एक बात पर सिंहासन को छोड़कर वनवासी हो जाते हैं। मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जहाँ नारी को स्वाभिमान से जाना जाता है, जहाँ एक कुंवारी माता को महासती कुंती कह के नाम से जाना जाता है, जहाँ 5 पतियों की द्रौपदी को देवी माना जाता है। मैं उस भारत से आता हूँ जो मेरा भारत आकाश की तरह बलवान है, धरती सा धैर्यवान है। यदि बात आ जाए हमारे नारियों के आदर की तो हमारा बच्चा बच्चा हनुमान है। यदि पढ़ो हमारा इतिहास जो हमारे मस्तक पर लिखा है, कभी दुशासन ने हमारी बेटी का चीरहरण किया था, हमने उसके 100 भाइयों की चिता जला दी थी। कभी रावण ने माता सीता का हरण किया था, हमने पूरे समुच राक्षस कुल की लंका लगा दी थी। भारत ना कभी रुका है, ना कभी झुका है, ना कभी डरा है, ये वीरों की वसुंधरा है। आज इतना परिचय इसलिए दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि प्रणाम कर कर प्रमाण देना हम भारतवासियों की परंपरा है। दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट माई। मैं भारत हूँ, 75 साल का नौजवान भारत। 75 साल पहले मैं रुई बनाता था, आज रॉकेट्स बनाता हूँ। 75 साल पहले मैं सपेरों का मुल्क कहलाता था, आज एशिया की शान कहलाता हूँ। लोगों को लगता था कि मैं यूं ही रह जाऊंगा, मेरे दिन कभी नहीं बदलेंगे। आज अगर विश्व के कामयाब लोगों की लिस्ट निकालो तो 10 में से 6 हिंदुस्तानी निकलेंगे। अभी तो और ऊंचा होगा मेरा तिरंगा, और ऊंची होगी इसकी सपनों की इबारत, जब सारी दुनिया बोलेगी जय हिंद जय भारत।